In today's video, I will walk you through how to blend images in Adobe Photoshop. Please like and subscribe if this video helps you. Once your images are open in Photoshop, the first thing we want to do is remove the background from the main subject image. Go to the Select menu at the top, then choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main subject in the image and create a selection around it. After the selection is ready, add a layer mask. This removes the background while keeping the subject isolated on its own layer, which helps when blending it into a different scene. Next, go to the Adjustments panel and add a Curves adjustment layer. After creating the adjustment layer, click the small clipping icon so the Curves adjustment only affects the image layer directly below it, instead of the entire project. Now double-click on the Curves icon itself, not the layer mask. This opens the Properties panel for the adjustment. From here, click the Auto button, then choose Auto Options. Inside the Auto Color Correction Options window, uncheck Snap Neutral Midtones. Then enable Find Dark and Light Colors. After that, click on the Shadows color sample. You'll now choose the darkest point from the background image. This helps Photoshop understand the darker tones that should influence the subject. Then, click on the Highlights sample and select the brightest point in the background image. This adjusts the brighter areas so the lighting feels more consistent between both images. You can also click on the Midtone sample and select a middle tone somewhere between the darkest and brightest areas in the background. This step helps balance the overall color transition and makes the blend feel more natural. You may see an option asking if you want to save these settings as the default. That part does not matter for this tutorial, so you can continue either way. At this point, compare the before and after result. The subject should already feel more connected to the background. If needed, you can still make small color adjustments manually to refine the look further. To improve the blend even more, add a Color Lookup adjustment layer. From the preset list, choose Crisp Winter. Then change the blending mode of that adjustment layer to Soft Light. After that, reduce the fill amount until the effect looks balanced and natural with your composition. Now compare the final before and after result. The colors should match much better, and the subject should blend into the scene more smoothly. That's the full process for blending and color matching images in Adobe Photoshop. Thanks for watching, and check out the other tutorials on the channel for more Photoshop techniques.